đây nè ai giật đầu bà tập máu này chậm đấy điประมาณkhai đi mặc khai đó thôi rồiวันมันเลเทอร์นั้นกีรุดนั่งอะไรโม่น่าสมาธิแต่นั่งไงโอ้หล่อด้วยเฮ้ยกับเจริญไปลุยอ่ะนี่เจริญไปลุยโอ้พอโอเคนั่งไงสะอาดดอลลอยพอนู้ยตีได้เห็นตีเทปบ้านนี่ทำไมพังโดยขี้เนี่ยอยู่เอาไว้ยังมวยม้ามากูเวียดเลย This is warm and then we waters then keep one this mix with the soy and around the pot and then we put the soy and then we just keep in this nice this one and then we have four plant for two this one oh so nice nice just water we have only we have two more like this and to grow and just by cutting easy Dracaena plant easy we just propagations by cutting just only take just only top and like this and other brand like this and can grow as well we cut like this and then for easy Dracaena and this one also we look have two more